Hey queens, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kim, aka Crowned K, and once you get on here guys and you see me with a wig cap, you already know it's a wig review. And guys, I really want you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and turn your post notifications on and be a part of the fam. I'm gonna give you a little second to do that, and yeah, I think you've done that. Let's get into the video. This hair today is by KlaiyiHair, and I always butcher their name. So yeah, in the box I got some wig caps, and they sent me a lot of headbands. I really like that. I love this cheetah print one, and then they sent me this one. This one looks so business-like. I don't know, but yeah, this tropical one that looks really good, and then another tropical one, and yeah, guys, that's what they sent me. And then they also send me one of those hard headbands, and they sent me their 14-inch curly headband wig, guys, and that's what I'll be reviewing in this video, and another headband. But yeah, guys, this hair is just super simple, real quick. This video is gonna be real quick, honey, because this hair is short and sweet and that's how this video is gonna be. And the cap construction, they have two big combs, one at the top, one in the back, and the adjustable strap for the headband. They don't have small adjustable straps on the inside, only the big strap that comes with the headband. So guys, I already just added some edge control to my hair. You can add edge control to your edges or whatever you use just to lay your edges down. If you ain't got no edges, then that's fine too. You can definitely wear the headband and bring it all the way to the front to cover your edges completely. So whether you have edges or not, you can definitely rock a headband wig, and this is a great protective style. This is a way that you can have your hair rest. And the thing I like the most about these headband wigs is they're on your head in a minute. You can get ready and have your hair done in a minute. Look at that. I literally just put it on and close the strap on the back of my head, and I'm good to go. And I know my kitchen area looks messy, but we're gonna ignore that. And because this doesn't have any adjustable straps on the insides, I apply the comb at the top, and I also apply the comb in the back because we want to be secured. And then I adjusted the headband itself, and yeah, just so that we're secure. So guys, this hair is a curly unit. You can add products or add water or whatever you so desire. I didn't add anything because I really liked how the curls look, and it's just a really cute short unit. So I've done a lot of headband wig reviews, and I just felt like I needed to do something short, something cute, and just sweet. So that's what I did. And guys, I didn't realize that all these headbands had all kind of patterns. I should have not worn the shirt that I have on, and you're gonna see me go change my shirt because it was not complimenting what's going on. But this is what the headband looks like with this this kind of hard headband, not the cloth one, but a regular bandeau, and I think it looks so good. And then this is just the hair fresh out of the package. This is what it is. You have to comb it out. You have to give it fluff. So I'm basically going through it with my fingers, just kind of giving it some kind of body. And then I went and I got my comb, a detangling comb, and I went through the hair just to give it some life, because the curls come all pressed up together, so it's not very full. But once you comb it out, it gets really full, and you're gonna see how full the unit really gets. And guys, this shirt is just distracting me, but I'm gonna change my shirt in a minute. You're gonna see, because this was just really distracting. I did not know for real that the headbands were this colorful and all kinds of patterns. So yeah, guys, I'm just fluffing that out, and it fluffs really nicely. It doesn't shed. For a curly unit, I was surprised it wasn't shedding, and I really like that. I think it's because the curls are more loose in a sense, why it doesn't shed. They're not as tight, so it's not a tangly kind of curl. So it doesn't shed and tangle up. And because it's short, I went through really easy. And guys, for this hair, you can definitely add curling products. I think it would look really nice with curling products. I wanted a bigger look because the hair is short. I didn't want it really defined and small and shrunken down. So I wanted my hair to be a little bit big. So that's why I didn't put any products in there. I didn't even add water to this hair because I wanted as much volume as I could get. So this is basically the hair, and yeah, it looks really good. The hairline works. If you don't want to show your edges, you can definitely just bring the band over your edges and use one of like the soft headbands so it covers it better. But this unit is really cute. I'm really feeling it. Like, let me know what y'all think. This is a really cute everyday go-to kind of unit. And guys, if you are like busy and you ain't got the time for like lace and stuff like that, and especially if you don't have like the experience, I feel like this is a great beginner wig. And yes, this changed her shirt so we don't look that crazy, but this is what it's looking like. I tried the floral print and I'm gonna try another one just so you can see the difference. A different headband gives you like a different look, so every day you can have like a different look. Just switch the headbands up and it matches like whatever vibe you're going for. But that's basically it, guys. Like, all the information on this hair will be down in the description box down below. Please check it out if you want to get this hair. This hair is just like really short and sweet, and I don't have anything bad to say about it. So like, let me know, guys, like what you think down below. And this cheetah print or whatever that is my favorite headband. But yeah, guys, I love you guys oh so much. I hope you subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye, guys.